Welcome back to our channel. If you enjoy trying to profit online, this is the best channel for you. Make sure to follow at the very end of the video so that you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified when I have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. So let's get started. With this free website that I'm about to share with you, you can start earning money right away. And you can set it up on autopilot to generate more revenue. What's important is that what you'll be doing will directly help others. So this video is perfect for you if you want to earn money online while making other people happy. Not only that, you'll learn how to maximize your performance and possibly earn even more income. But before we get into it, don't forget to like this video first and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new strategy in making money so that I would upload lots of different methods in earning money online. Step 1. Go to Google and type in 10 tips for saving money. You want to find a variety of articles that will show you how to save money. You won't have to spend any money, but you will have to learn how to save it. This is completely free and requires no incentive to invest. You will not have to save any money. Instead, you can earn money with this strategy. However, in order to make money with this technique, you must first search for ways to save money and read various articles that will show you different ways to save money. Let's say I'm going to open up this one, 10 tips for saving money. I'll open up and read it through. So that's step number 1. Just find some articles that are talking about saving money. Step 2 is to visit Sneaply.io, which is a completely free tool. Simply visit this website to understand how you can use this tool to add your own call to action to any website or article. You can create your own call to action on any web page. Sign up for a free account by clicking on Get Started for free. They do have some pricing plans, but don't pay for anything. You don't need any paid plans. You can use this for free. Just sign up for free at Sneaply.io. Once you've signed up for free, copy the article link from the article that tells you how to save money that you found on Google. And put that link in this box where it says enter the URL and click Create Snip. Now wait for it to load. Select a Sneaply type, in this case button, to make a button call to action and type a message in this box, which will appear at the bottom. You're basically putting this call to action on an article on that website you found through Google. So you can write in whatever you want. As you can see, if I type something right here, it will change down below. What I would enter in this box is make money while spending, or something along those lines. You will see why we are doing this as we progress through this tutorial. For step 3, once you've signed up for Sneaply, simply write a call to action that reads something like earn money while you're spending or save money while you're spending, and then update the button text to say something like get quick access here or something similar to that. This is a significant call to action that a lot of people are going to notice. Now before you go further, you'll need an actual link to take them to somewhere that will actually allow you to earn money. And this will all make sense as we go through the next steps. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works and how it may help you earn money while helping others. For step number 4, before you proceed with Sneaply, you'll need to go to Feature Points. This is available at featurepoints.com. Or you can simply download their completely free app, which is available for both iOS and Android. You can do this with your smartphone device, and you will no longer be required to complete any surveys or offers on featurepoints.com. I want to demonstrate that people can earn cash back with Feature Points, which means they can shop and earn hundreds of dollars in cash back with Feature Points. If they shop at Walmart, GameStop, Microsoft, Sephora, or any other store, they can save money if they have Feature Points installed for them. It's completely free and it saves you money on every transaction. Now, that is not our primary focus because we do not want to save money. We want to create money. Therefore, you will need to sign up for Feature Points. Create a completely free account, and after you've done so, you'll be able to earn points. When you log into your account, you'll see several features and surveys on the left-hand side, which you can complete. Choose Share with Friends right here because you can get some additional revenue by performing these offers and downloading apps. But what will make you the most money is if you share this with friends because you can earn up to 50% of the points your friends earn. So if you refer someone who saves $1,000 in cashback or even makes money through these offers, you'll get half of that one person. As you can see, it's a completely free program that's available worldwide. They simply need to sign up for free and they can save quite a lot of money, get a lot of cashback, and in exchange, you'll get 50% off of all their earnings from featurepoints.com. So be sure to take your link. This is your special referral link and copy it. Now go back to Sneaply and paste that URL where it says button URL, so that when someone hits on this button and gets instant access, they will be directed to your Feature Points referral link. Now just hit continue and let's get your sample link by finishing the call to action, which will give me my link, which I can copy and share with others by sending them to this link. If I click on the preview link, you'll see that it takes us to an article that I read about, 10 tips for saving money. Now they can see this call to action at the bottom that says make money while spending, and they see acquire quick access here. If they click on it, they will be sent to Feature Points where they can sign up for free and save money. So we're assisting them with their interests. We're not just offering them assistance, we're also giving them an app that saves them money and gives them cashbacks. We're helping them save money while we are able to start earning income. All that's left now is for you to start pushing traffic to this Sneaply link. You can get people to click on your button link, which is simple because who doesn't want to save money? Almost everyone in the world wants to save some money. You don't have to particularly target Make Money Online groups on Facebook because this isn't about generating money. But you can join as many as you want and tell them about the wonderful article that will help them save money. If they click on the article and it's filled with information, they'll read it and notice the call to action, which is a lot better than if you're just spamming with your referral link urging them to sign up for your link, since people would recognize it's just a spam. But if you're sending them to a snippet link in which they can first read an article, giving them information, and then you're showing them the button where they can get an actual app that will save them money, you're basically assisting them and you earn money while doing that. You can promote it in different Facebook groups, use Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media channel to gain many people so that you could earn a huge amount of income. And that's it. That's how you can start earning money just by helping others as well. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any videos. Thank you for your undivided attention and I'll see you in some of our next videos.